Hello friends, today I want to discuss about non-traditional machining process. Before entering this topic, I just recapitulate the word manufacturing. What is manufacturing? Manufacturing said that when a raw material is converting into finished product with the help of some machineries or instrument or equipment, and with the help of some equipment or machineries, we just added the value into the raw material, and the desired shape, size, accuracy will come in the finished product, and this product also satisfy our human needs. This is all about manufacturing. This manufacturing process is categorized in two parts. One is primary manufacturing process, another is secondary manufacturing process. In primary manufacturing process, the normal casting process, joining process, welding process, forming process, etc. is involved. In secondary manufacturing process, where the material removal is main concern. In secondary manufacturing process, also categorized in two parts. One is conventional machining process and another is non-conventional or non-traditional machining process. The example of conventional machining process, all of you know that the turning operation, facing operation, grinding operation, grooving operation, shaping operation, etc. etc. That's with the help of some lathe, drilling machine, milling machine, we just remove the material and desired product will come. What is non-traditional machining process? The main topic of this lecture. Non-traditional or non-conventional machining process. The beauty of this machining process is that here tool and workpiece is not directly contact. Now question comes, how material is removed? Material is removed with the help of some energy sources. And here also we see that always the tool material is less harder than the workpiece material. With the help of some slideshow, I want to give you the basic difference between conventional machining process and non-conventional machining process. First of all, in conventional machining process, direct contact of tool and workpiece. Previously I have said that. And non-conventional machining process where tool and workpiece are not directly contact. And here in conventional machining process, cutting tool is always harder than the workpiece. But in non-conventional machining process, this is just reverse. Tool life is very less in conventional machining process. Obviously, the non-conventional machining process, the tool life is very high. Material removal take place due to the application of cutting force in conventional machining process. And here, in conventional machining process, some energy sources is required. Conventional machining process is suitable for all material, but non-conventional machining process is not suitable for all material. Last one is, in conventional machining process, complex shape cannot be generated, but in non-conventional machining process, we always generate any kinds of complex shape. Now, the classification of NTM process is discussed. Mechanical type, electrochemical type, electrothermal type, and chemical type. This is the four category of non-traditional machining process. That's when four types of energy is used for removing the material. Now, I give you some example of each process. Mechanical process. Example is abrasive jet machining, ultrasonic machining, water jet machining, abrasive water jet machining, etc. etc. In electrochemical process, electrochemical grinding, electrochemical machining, electrojet drilling, etc. In electrothermal process, Electro-discharge Machining, that's in AWJM, laser jet machining, electron beam machining, etc. And last one is chemical process, where chemical milling and photochemical milling is involved. Now, I want to discuss what is the need basic need of non-traditional machining. Why we convert conventional to non-conventional? First one is any kinds of hard and brittle material cannot be machined in normal machining process or traditional machining process. So obviously non-traditional machining process is required. Second, any kinds of complex shape, a square hole, a circular step hole cannot be generated in traditional machining process. It is generated by non-traditional machining process. Deep hole with small diameter, it cannot be possible in non-traditional machining process. So the main answer is non-traditional machining process. Machining of composite material, obviously done by non-traditional machining process. So these are the basic needs of non-traditional machining process. So now I give you some example of non-traditional machining process where you see that so many complex shape is generated. This is a circular step hole, a square step hole, micro level work. Thank you.